Time. Hi, welcome back. Today you're going to have two different cocktails, a hot beverage with a filtered coffee and cold beverage using espresso base. So let's get started. Judges, all the details information I have explained are in the menu in front of you, which you can take to the backstage, so don't worry about missing things. Thank you. Let's start it with the coffee. Our coffee today is come from Valle del Cauca, Colombia. It's a Mandela variety from Cafe Granja La Esperanza. Grown at 1800 meters above sea level, it's an anaerobic natural process that was fermented for 36 hours, offering high sweetness and complexity flavors of stone fruit and tropical fruit, which is very perfect for our cocktail today. For my espresso, I'm using 20 grams in, 40 grams out to highlight high coffee fruit sweetness, medium acidity, creamy mouthfeel, and I choose this coffee to contribute into the flavor of my cocktail. That will reminding you about the flavor and texture of nastar cookies in a final drink. Now I'm gonna put all of my ingredients into a hyper chiller to bringing down the temperature without any dilution. Now using 30 ml jigger, first we have plain Trinidad crumb as an excellent foundation that has notes of dried fruit, spices, and a hint of vanilla. It will transform into the flavors of cookies on my cocktail. And next, French vanilla syrup from Delifru, which boosts the coffee flavors. And to boosting the creaminess in my cocktail, we're gonna use 15 ml. And next is my homemade pineapple spritz that I made by infusing 4 night of 10 part of pineapple juice, 2 part of cinnamon stick, 5 part of April, and 1 part of 10% malic acid solution. Then I strain it and charge it with 16 gram of CO2 for boosting up the flavors and create a fizzy sensation. Will give the flavor of nastar cookies itself with a tropical pineapple sweetness, spice cinnamon, and creamy vanilla. And now, I'll pour all of my ingredients into this siphon with a stainless cube inside to chilling down the temperature until the final temperature of 10 degrees Celsius to highlight the high coffee fruit sweetness. And I'll be charging my cocktail with a pure nitrogen to homogenizing the liquid, creating a creamy and smooth mouthfeel that will reminding you about the flavor or texture about nastar cookies itself. Mixing on CO2 and nitro is create seal, allowing us to store this drink in a chiller and serving it anytime. This cocktail will bringing your memories about family time. Very suitable to enjoy anytime at high-end cocktail bar. Very easy to make and prepare it. Move to the decanter to open up the aroma and make sure there is no waste ingredients. Serve in this chilled ceramic cup to highlight the visual appeal to our customers because of that looks like nastar cookies. And judges, please expect the nastar cookies flavors with a tropical pineapple sweetness, spice cinnamon aftertaste, creamy vanilla, with a long-lasting finish, with a medium sweetness, medium acidity, low bitterness, with a sweet, creamy, and smooth mouthfeel. Please swirl it 5 times before drinking and then sipping it. Please enjoy and I'll be back. Thank you. Judges, a human perspective is essential key in the beverage industry. It's of us perceive flavors uniquely based on our experience and perspective. So today, in this drink, I'll guide you to see a lot of things from different perspectives to be a one good combination of hot coffee cocktail that inspire from hot butter rum cocktail. Using same coffee bean with different roasting profile to highlight the brighter acidity and clarity, resulting in more pronounced fruity notes. In this recipe, I'm using 20 grams of coffee in 180 grams of hot water at 94 degrees Celsius to create a perspective on cheesecake by give a smooth and creamy mouthfeel. The final temperature of this coffee cocktail is 40. Next is dark cherry syrup from Deli Fruit to create a new perspective on forest cake. I'm gonna use 5 mils. And next is my homemade butter wash vanilla rum that I made by infusing vanilla pods and unsalted butter with a plain tray duck rum in a sous vide machine at 60 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. After infusion, I freeze the mixture to solidify the butter and vanilla, then strain the rum through a paper filter. This process adds creamy, rich, and a complex flavor profile that beautifully complements the coffee. Produce a creamy cake flavor with buttery notes to boosting the perspective on tiramisu in my cocktail. 40 ml. And now we'll mixing it with the coffee. And now it's time for the final part of perspective. I'm so excited to present my own design cup, the FYP, or For Your Perspective cup. This cup have a 3 different mouthpiece. One cup that will give you a lot of perspective and flavor journey. On the red side is an open mouthpiece, allows a balanced flow, very suitable to enjoying the mouthfeel in my cocktail. Will highlight the flavor of black forest and cherry. The orange side is a flaring mouthpiece, widens slightly at the rim, directing the liquid to the center of your tongue. Will boosting the sweetness perception and highlight the flavor of tiramisu. The pink side is narrow mouthpiece, is more constricted rim for more intense aroma and flavor profile and will boosting the vanilla and creamy cake flavor, especially on your retronasal. And will highlight the flavor of cheesecake. Using this cup, you will notice how its mouthpiece changes the taste, flavor, and mouthfeel. This cup will elevate the drinking experience to our customers by give a new sensation. And of course, it's commercially applicable to the market because of the flavors and visual appeal. And for last ingredients is my homemade buttercream that I made by mixing unsalted butter with a dairy cream. We'll topping up into your cocktail. And we'll give a new layer of flavors that create a perspective on cheesecake. Give about 20 mils. Judges, there is no bad coffee or cocktail. It's all about our perspective. And everyone deserves to be appreciated for their perspective. Please enjoy FYP, For Your Perspective. I'm Ben from Gosadera, Surabaya. Thank you and it's my time.